Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Fest. This is SM Asif, and that's the fourth video of the playlist where I was talking about the MVVM architecture while API calling with JSON parsing. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you another class inside data source package which will be required for us, movies in theater data source factory, which will extend movies in theater data source to track the saved data and check whether any changes happened or not. So at first I will show this class of data source, and then I will show the next package, ViewModels, movies in theater ViewModel. As we all know, the ViewModel will be used as a communicator between the view and the model, and it will basically provide the live data to the by network state from model to the view classes. Okay, so at first I will work on this class. I will name it movies in theater data source factory. Movies in theater data source factory, and it will extend. Let me just increase the font. Okay, extend data source dot factory, and it will at first implement all the necessary method. Only one here, the create method, and before that we need to create some variables. Public static final string tag, which we will use for logging some messages. Movies in theater data. Okay, that's it. Next we need movies in theater data source, movies in data source. I will name it movies data source, and then mutable live data, movies in theater data source, mutable live data. Okay, then we will need executor and DMDB's web services. I will name it web services web service. Okay, I will declare the constructor of it, and side parameter we will use executor and the DMDB web services, executor web services. That's it. And we will need mutable live data to initialize mutable live data. Okay, that's it. And inside create method I will remove this line, and I will return the value later. At first I will log what is going on here, as I will log create as it is create method. Okay, let me just import log, alter enter, then movies in movies data movies data source. I will initialize it at first, movies in theater data source, and pass the value of executor and the web service. That's it. And then the mutable live data, I will post the value of movie data source in the mutable live data, and I will return that movies data source. Okay, that's it. After that, I will create one getter function for mutable live data. Okay, it will return mutable live data. Okay, and that's it. I guess something went wrong here. Why this is happening? Let me check what happened here. Executor will be at first, I think so. So that was the error, I think. Okay, we have passed this exactly same variables which is required in the constructor, at first executor, then the web service. Okay, so our data source package is complete. Now we will need another package, ViewModel, for ViewModel, and that's the important part, as it will work as a communicator between the model and the view, as I have already mentioned you. So let me just create the package. I will name it ViewModels, and ViewModels. Inside ViewModels package, I will name it movies in theater ViewModel. Okay, let me just increase the font, and it will extend ViewModel, the built-in class ViewModel. Okay, let me just declare some variables at first. Private static final string for the log purpose. Okay, live data. Inside that I will pass page list, and the type will be movie, movies in theater, movies in theater list. Live data, network state live data, executor, live data, movies in theater data source. Our limit data source. Okay, let me just initialize the constructor, and inside constructor I will not pass any value here, and I will at first print the log tag, and I will name it movies in theater ViewModel. Okay, let me just import log, and after that executor equals to executor, the executors method new fix threader pool, and I will set the default value as 5 threads. Okay, tmdb web service dot, and the variable name will be web service and service generator dot create service that will pass the value of tmdb web service dot class. Okay, that's it. And now we will need movies in theater list. We will need one more variable for factory movies. This data source factory, I will name it factory. Let me initialize it. Sorry, it should be movies in theater data source factory. Theater data source factory, and I will pass the value executor and the web service. Okay, it's okay now. And the next thing I need to do is so it's done. Next thing I need to do is data source equals to factory dot call the method get mutable live data. Okay, and then I will work with network asset live data and initialize it as transformations dot switch map, and inside switch map I will pass the value factory dot get mutable live data. New function. And inside apply I will do some coding here. Log, I will print the log tag, and I'll name it as apply network change. As after API response I will after network response I will have this method. That's why I'm doing this. Return source. The source will be it should be input dot get network state. Okay, the next thing I need to do is page list dot config page config to new page list dot config dot builder. And inside the placeholders I will always declare it true, and the initial load size hint will be 10 for per page, page size. Sorry, that will be the page size per page, how many products we need to see. That's why I have set this value to 20. And initial load size hint will be the predicted after coming up list will be in the hint. That's why I'm said that lower than the page size 10. That's it. Again, movies in theater list equals to new live page list. Oops, sorry about that. Should be live page list build. I don't know why this is not working. Live page okay, something went wrong here. Well, I'm not getting it. Let me just check it. Okay, so new live page, it will be live page builder, and inside that the type will be long and movie. The parameter should be factory and the page config. Okay, dot set dot build. Okay, that's it. And what else we need? We need one more method, public live data, and the type will be page list, and the list type will be movie, as our model class is movie, and I will name it get movies in theater list. Login tag it movies in theater list. Okay, I will return the movies in theater list. And another method, public live data, this type will be network state. Okay, the method name will be get network state live data. And okay, so the return type will be network state live data. Okay, so that's it. That's our model view model package class. So we are good to go now. After that we will work on the view, our last package. I will set one adapter, and the adapter will be used in the main activity class to show the list finally. So that's it for now. In the next tutorial I will work on the view part. Okay, so thank you very much.